木の中で、お茶の木の中でこう何が起こっているかっていうのは僕自身の体とは実際はつながっていないんで感じることができない。
So he can't really feel what the tea tree is feeling because their bodies are not connected.
けどこの自分の体を通してはこうなったらこう変化したらこうか変わるみたいなのが体で感じれるので、その自分の体で感じたのを同じようなことが起こっていると想像することは割とできるんですよ。
But he can try to apply to his own physicality what is happening or going on with the tea tree. So he can reenact sort of the positioning of the tea tree on his own body and learn from that.
でこれのいいところは、植物の変化もその実験とかで数値に出るものは僕らも見ることができるんですけど、数字に出ないような変化はわからないんですね。けど数字に出ないような変化も僕らは体で感じることができるんで、そういうことを想像することができるというのが体を通すメリットです。
And there are a lot of measurable variables that you can put into numbers, and then you know what is going on with the tea tree. But there are a lot of very fine things going on that you can't measure into numbers. So even with the body as well, you can't measure everything, but you can experience it. And so by reenacting what is going on in the tea tree on your own body can allow you to understand the tea tree to a deeper extent.
で、立ち方なんですけど、先ほど言っていたこの外側の
So try standing just as you would do normally on the and using your outer muscles.
Yes. っていうのは、がっしりしているようで。
It seems very steady.
実際はこの固まっているんで簡単に動かすことができる。
But you're not very steady really. You can actually be pulled over quite quickly.
Okay. 今度はその先ほど言っているこの内側の軸ですね。それをこう簡易的にこう体感しやすいように、足を閉じてもらって、でもう体の全部をこう真ん中にギューってこう寄せ集める感じでぐーっと力を。
But now try to stand on your own central axis and do that by putting your feet together and imagine that you're bringing everything in your body close to the center from head to toes. And so everything is sort of compressed into the center of your body.
10秒ぐらい。
Do that for about 10 seconds and hold it.
The abs.
腹筋。
で、ある程度やると、さっきよりこの内側が通りやすいです。
And so when you do that for a little bit, you become able to sort of find your center and stand comfortably on your central axis of balance.
で、立ってもらって、
And then just relax and open your feet, but open your feet a bit and try to stay on that axis.
さっきよりバランスが。
And you'll see that you'll be much more balanced.
で、こう崩した時も、崩れずにこうついてくる。
So, and you don't fall over, you stay balanced when he pulls you over.
で、こういう状態っていうのは、崩されにくいっていうのもあるし、その緊急の変化に対応できるっていうのもあるし、その体の内側の機能もきちんと働ける状態っていう。
So it doesn't only allow you to stay upright when someone pulls you over, it also puts you in an essential state of being where you can respond to emergencies and where inside your body everything functions to the best extent as well, because this is the most natural way and the most relaxed way to be.
で今強いですね。
So now you feel you're very strong.
Yeah.
うん、
Very centered.
なのでこうある程度こう相手のこの動きにも対応できるんですけど、
And you can actually respond to the your opponent's movements.
それが崩されました。
So now you're off balance.
Yeah.
It's much easier to pull you over.
This kind.
Wow, very cool.
And that he applies to his tea trees, where if they are upright, they function to the best extent. Whereas if they're leaning to the side, they have no energy left to deal with any emergencies or any situations.
Wow. Super. Very cool. It's like tea martial art.
Yes.
うん、立ち方っていうのはそれぐらいすごく大事なことで、そのパンチにしてもこっからこういうのって腕の力ですよね。けどこの立ち方がしっかりしているとあんまり振らなくても僕の体重をここに与えることができるので。
So with a punch, for example, if you just throw your arm out, it's the strength of the arm. But if you're centered and very, very positioned, then basically with the punch, you can put your entire body weight onto the other person. And that is how important your stance is and how important it is to stand upright and be centered.
Yeah. I know that from Thai boxing.
軽くやっていいですか？
Can I punch you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Very 軽く。And not this kind of thing. And just push. But 僕の重さがこう来るんで。
So he just puts his body on you instead of giving you a punch.
Oh, I see.
立ち方。うん。
It's like Aikido.
Aikido, yes.
This is Aikido.
Oh, cool.
T Aikido. It's Aikido.
Oh, very cool. Thank you for this lesson.
そう、お茶の木も立ち方をすごく大事にしています。
And that is why he put so much attention on the stance and the balance of the tea tree as well.
Thank you, I understand now. Thank you so much.